Yo, welcome back to Crypto Moonshots. So today we're going to be talking about Ecomi Omi, and we're going to be kind of talking about why the price hasn't risen up yet and what's suppressing the price. But before we get into that, just a quick daily analysis. So yesterday I told you guys that I was confident that this line would hold, the 0.008, right? And if we look at the daily, right, it's still holding on. The candle is still holding on, right? So on the daily, I think it's gonna hold. Okay, it did wick down, right? But on the 4 hour, it did unfortunately go below that line. Okay, the 0.008 line. But the good news is, the bad news is I was wrong. I was really confident that it wouldn't go below the 0.008. And I thought it would just, bounce back. And that's the bad news. But the good news is that we have held this line as support for the 4 hour, right? The daily has held the 0.008, but for the 4 hour it didn't hold. But the good news is that it's holding this around this 0.00769 line of support, right? And the reason that I'm drawing this line right now is because if you look here on this left-hand side, right, these candles were stuck between these two levels, and this line of support held, right? It held, and then it shot up. Okay, broke through the 0.008 resistance, which then became support, and then that was the trajectory of it. Okay, I was very confident that it's not gonna break the 0.008. And again, on the daily it didn't break it, but on the 4 hour it did. But right when we hit the 0.007, it's back up 0.008 right now, so that's a very good sign. And I am still very confident that this coin is going to go parabolic and it's going to go on another run soon. Okay, I'm still confident on that. Yes, I got it off by 0.001 cents a little bit, but again, on the daily, it's chilling, but on the 4 hour, it dipped down, but it's for sure going to go up, okay? Because it held this line and it quickly bounced back. That's a large candle right there. That's a large 4 hour candle that it bounced back from. So, yeah. So, I'm still sticking to what I'm saying. I think it's going to go, I think it's due for another run. And today is Sunday, and Sundays are generally not that good for cryptocurrencies. It's not the best days for different altcoins and stuff. So that's just a history of Sundays in general. So I think this upcoming week, right? I think this upcoming week we're gonna go on a run. Okay, so I stick by that, and I think that's what's going to happen. If you're holding right now, please hold. Don't panic sell. Okay, the fact that it went back down to 0.007 and did such a quick bounce, such a dramatic bounce, right? That's a very good sign, and it's going up. It's starting to go up, right? It's starting to go up, and then hopefully this week will be a very good week for Ecomi. Okay, so I still stand by the fact that I'm very bullish on this. Okay, so let's kind of get into kind of what is suppressing the price. Okay, why has it decreased? Stephen Graham, Andre Jeek, I believe. They're YouTubers. They're big financial YouTubers. You guys can look them up. They talked about it. Logan Paul talked about it. It got listed on Uniswap. So it's just kind of weird how the price has been decreasing, right? So I went on Reddit, and let me just show you guys some things I found out. So I wanted to show you. So someone said on Reddit, and it got 71 likes, and I will like it as well. Upvotes. They said that there was FUD with BPRO that was posted yesterday or 2 days ago. Okay, and that post got a lot of traction, and people are saying the reason BPRO is down so much, right, is because of that post along with the Kucoin bots, and that's what's suppressing the price of BPRO, right? Market manipulation. Okay, and they're saying that same account, right, copied the entire post and just changed the name from BPRO to Omi. And this post is now deleted, but if you look at it, it's literally the BPRO post, and everywhere that BPRO was mentioned, they changed it to the word Ecomi. Okay, so there's a lot of market manipulation going on, And also, I forgot to mention that BitBoy, which is, I think, the biggest crypto YouTuber, came out with a video about Ecomi Omi as well, right? So that's another reason that it's kind of weird how it hasn't shot up yet. And that's another reason that I'm saying I'm very bullish on this. So that just adds to that. But, so yeah. So if you don't know what FUD is basically fear, uncertainty, and doubt, right? So people are making posts about Ecomi, and that's what caused the BPRO price to go down. And yeah, so another reason, right? Another reason. So everyone's like questioning why the dip, right? With all the hype with VV and the app and the good fundamentals, is because this person is saying there's a lack of liquidity on the weekends, right? Experienced traders don't trade on weekends or public holidays. Today's Easter, right? As a rule, there's no liquidity there for the buys. Okay, so basically, right? Basically, there's some market manipulation going on. You know, people are making posts and putting uncertainty and doubt about these types of projects, right? And I think the reason they do that is because as the price decreases, right? As the price decreases, you know, people are more likely to sell, right? That it's called paper hands. Having paper hands, people sell, right? And then once it's at the bottom, then they start buying, and that's how they make their money, right? This is all kind of, you know, in the stock market, a lot of this is very coordinated, right? So with several Reddit accounts, and they made this kind of obvious by just changing the name from BPRO to Omi, but there's a lot of market manipulation going on in the cryptocurrency, and you guys got to be careful of that, right? You know, people have lots of money. Some people have millions and millions of dollars that they just pump in, right, for it to pump, right? They pump it up, and then when it starts going down, other people start selling off, right? Because, you know, a lot of people can't afford, you know, having their money down 40%, right? And it's gone down pretty dramatically over the past few days, okay? So yeah, I apologize that I made a mistake and I said that it's, you know, going to stay at the 0.008 level. Again, on the daily, I'm correct, but I believe I was looking at the 4-hour chart. So nevertheless, I apologize, but I'm still confident in the fact that it's still going to be a very good week for Omi. So if you're holding, please hold. It's holding this line right here as well, right? Again, this is not financial advice. This is just my opinion. This is what I'm doing because I bought up here. Okay, I bought up here, and I don't really care that it came down this much because I believe in it. Okay, so long term, midterm, this is I'm very confident that this will go back up. So don't you worry. And yeah, man, that's all I wanted to talk about today. So if you like this video, please subscribe, hit the bell, join the Telegram. Let's make some money together. And yeah, thank you guys so much.